Gould led a bunch of armed looters against trained soldiers.
He didn't know this was gonna happen.
Maybe the loss was worth the gain.
Hold up. You smell that?
You're kidding, right? We're ankle deep in death. Of course I smell it.
No, not that.
Don't let him touch you!
Soldiers, get ahead!
He's got him! He's got right on it! Keep firing! And watch it!
baby!
Sticky grenade! Out! That's the last one.
Why do this? These people were beaten. The fight was over.
It's a message to the survivors. Don't fuck with us.
What survivors?
You claim to speak for these people, Agent Gould. Now would be the time to prove it.
No! I have done nothing!